I'm Mike at Adams Classic Collector Cars. Today we have a 1946 Chevy dually truck. It's sitting on a 1996 Chevy dually frame. This is probably one of the most uniquely restored Chevy trucks you could find. As you can tell, it's got a very nice white pearl paint job. The grills and everything been painted a nice goldish color. All the trimming and gold plating has been replaced. Nice pinstriping down the side, pinstriping on the boxes. And let me show you the engine bay, how clean it is. As you can tell, it's been painted the exact same as the outside. It's actually a Chevy Crate 350 that's been fully built up. It's got power steering, power brakes. It's got the vintage AC system on it, air horns. Just a perfectly restored truck that'll fire up every time. Drive anywhere you want to go with it. And as we go down the side here, you see it's got some very nice wood railings. But what really makes this truck the most unique is the wood bed. As you can tell, this thing has been very well custom made. All the screws are countersunk, pegged in screws. The wood is just perfectly finished, great condition. As you look at the rear, you can see where all the lights have been flush mounted into it. Trailer hitch is powered up, so you can tow with this thing. You know, anything you want to haul, just a great bed. Be perfect for somebody with an automotive-based business, you know, landscaping business, anything like that that you want to carry stuff around with. As you can see, it's also on each side. It's got these very nice custom metal tool storage boxes that can be used to, you know, store anything you want in them. As we get to the interior, I'll let you have a look at the interior. The interior has been fully done up. It's got power. Both seats are power seats. It's got an AC system as stated before. The dash has been painted the same pearl white. All the vinyl has been replaced. Nice carpet, radio. Just an awesome looking interior. This thing would be great at car shows. Gets a lot of attention no matter where we take it, driving down the road. You know, it could be used for pretty much anything. So as you can see, it's just an awesome, unique truck. You won't really find anything else like this on the market. Now, I'll start it up for you real quick, let you hear the actual truck start up, what it sounds like. Ride down the street, let you see it move around. As you can also see, what's very uncommon for these things to have is that the window has been restored. You generally don't see this on many vehicles. This is a very hard part to find to get restored. This is just a great truck. Power brakes, power steering, everything works great. Cruises nicely. Shifts great. Just a great truck to cruise around with. Like I said, to go to parades, car shows, cruise-ins. You'll be the most unique truck there. Let a camera guy out here and let you see kind of drive up the hill, see what it looks like driving away. great driving truck. Looks great driving to and from. Just an awesome truck. You won't really find another unique vehicle like this on the market. There's really no way to classify this truck just for how cool and how unique it is. So you can find more information about the truck on our website at www.adamsclassiccars.com, or you can give us a call to discuss the vehicle, 770-932-8252. Again, it's www.adamsclassiccars.com. Thank you very much.